Hey everyone, welcome. If you've been selling items on Vinted and built up a nice balance in your wallet, you'll want to transfer those earnings directly into your personal bank accounts. Adding your details takes less than 2 minutes, so let us begin. So just locate the payout settings inside your Vinted profile, open Vinted and log in. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on Wallet or Vinted Balance near the top of the list to view your funds. Tap on Withdraw or head to Settings, then Payout Options, and Vinted will automatically prompt you to add a bank account. And now you can enter your account details so Vinted knows that it's yours and where to send the cash. Type in your account holder name, make sure that this matches the exact full name registered on your official bank accounts, enter your 6-digit sort code or 8-digit account number if you are in the UK, or your IBAN as well if you're in Europe. Fill your registered billing address, double check it, and tap Save. And why do bank withdrawals sometimes fail or get rejected? Your bank account holder name must match your Vinted profile exactly. If the names do not align, your bank will reject the payout for fraud prevention. And then, once you tap Withdraw, payouts usually take 3 to 5 working days. Enjoy.